watcher and subscribers, today we will see the logic of average number in the coding. Okay, means here we will do it in the Python. So you just see here the definition of average number, or you can say here how you can get it. A calculated central value of a set of numbers. Central means you can say the middle value, and to calculate it you have to add all the numbers and divide by how many numbers there are. So this is the formula of average number. Average equal to sum of all the number divided by total. Suppose you have total 3 numbers. So what you will do upside you have to do addition of all these 3 number, and total is what? 3. Suppose you have total 4 set of different number, then upside you have to write addition of all the number divided by total 4 numbers. So that is what the simple formula of the average. Now we will go in the coding section, and there we will see how you can calculate the average of numbers. So now here I am in the Python editor, and first step is we have to define list of value. That is the easiest procedure. So as of now I am taking just 3 numbers for your understanding, and I am using the same number so that you can understand easily. So as you know, the formula of average equals to sum divided by total. So important thing is here you have to calculate how many values are there. So for that n equals to length of L. So what happened here, by using the length function you can get to know how many values are there, how many entries are there. That values we are assigning to n. So here n value will be 3, and then I am taking the for loop for I in L. So what happened here, by using this we have to access all the values. So now here it is taking indentation, and I am writing s is s plus I. Later on you will understand the meaning. Here we have to put s value 0, and in the same indentation, suppose if I write print the value of s. Okay, so what happened here, I will explain later on how this logic works. So if I run this code, then you see 3, 6, 9. Okay, like this output is running. So as you know, first we want the sum. Okay, our task is we should get the sum. We don't want all the values. So if I skip this, means now in this for loop, according to indentation we have only one statement, and after that it will show the value. So we check the result again, and now you see it is showing only 9. It is not showing all the 3 value. Okay, so this statement is perfectly okay. Now the question is how it works, how it is working exactly. So here I show you here how it is working. So yes value is 0. Okay, so in the first iteration what happened, yes value is 0, and in the I the first value is 3. So 0 plus 3 is 3. So yes value will be 3. That is happening in the first iteration, and after that it will take the next value in the for loop. So next value is again 3, and the yes value, now the change value of s is 3. So here it is 3 plus 3 is 6. So now yes value is changed, it is 6, because that value will be added to yes. So in the second step yes value is 6. Then in the third step the value of s is 3. That will add to the change value of s as it was 6. Okay, so 6 plus 3 is 9. So yes value will be changed 9. So that's why in the final step we are getting the value 9. So that is what the sum. But here we don't want the sum, we want average. So what we do exactly, after calculation of sum, that value should be divided by 3. So I just press enter key, and it should be divided at last. Okay, so I don't want that statement within for loop. So simply you have to write yes equal to yes divided by n. So sum is what? As of now sum is 3. No, sorry, sum is 9. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9 divided by total values. Total values is how much? 3. So 9 divided by 3. So it answer should come 3. So we will just check it out. So you see answer is coming 3.0. Okay. Suppose you don't want in float, then you see now it is showing 3. Okay, so it's totally depend on you, but this division symbol is okay because sometimes the average should show the decimal point, decimal numbers. Then here suppose I am taking now other values like that, then we will check out the average. So you see it is showing now proper value 4.4. So in this way you can calculate the average. So for calculation point of average, some statements are important. First one is this one. Because of that we can get to know total number of values, and then in under this for loop you have to use this statement for the addition of all value, and then you have to use this for addition divided by total value, and finally we are getting the result. So in this way you can get the average of any number, whichever number you want, you simply write it here. So this is the simplest way of calculating average of number, and this is the simplest logic. So I hope, dear student, you understood this logic, and you have to do the practical so that you can understand easily and you can understand effectively. Thank you.